Yes! Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I just thought I'd pick up the camera and film it because it's an issue that has kind of cropped up when I've been changing the battery on the car, and I found some fault codes and done a bit of research, and basically I think I found the issue and I'm going to attempt to fix it. But I thought, you know what, I'll pick the camera up and film it, just a short video for you guys, just in case any of you guys have got the same issue on your A5 or S5, whatever it is. Hopefully it might be able to help you. So let's head out to the car and we'll go and take a look at what the problem is and see how we can fix it. So as I said in the intro, this video hopefully will just help some of you guys if you're having the same issue. So basically I've had the car for probably around about a year now, maybe just a little bit less. And for the whole time that I've owned the car, the start stop, so the thing that like cuts the engine out when you come to a standstill, has never worked, and it's never bothered me because I'm not really that fussed about it. However, recently my car battery died, so I got a new battery fitted. But when we was doing the scanning of the diagnostic thing, it was coming up with an error, and basically it was like control battery module, something like that. Anyway, it basically means that the computer doesn't know when it can cut the car out. I'll put the fault code up on the screen now. So I've done a bit of reading on the forums, and basically it's down to a wire corrosion issue. So if I just undo take all this crap out and then lift the boot floor up, I've got receipts under there as well. But basically this wire here, that runs to the negative and the positive terminal, obviously splits off. So this little purple wire, I think if you see that purple wire there, that one runs to the negative terminal. So basically what happens is, because these are known for leaking a bit of water, behind this panel here it leaks water down into basically behind there, and there's a connection where 3 of these little purple wires are joined together, and basically that corrodes. So what I'm going to do is, or I've kind of already started looking at it, but I'm going to kind of just show you guys, is we're going to strip that back, pull the wires out, re-crimp them, dry them all up and everything, retape them all up, and then hopefully clear the fault code and see if the start stop actually starts working. I'm not even that bothered about it working, it's just because I know the code's there and I know something's not working and I want it to be working, because my OCD is just going mad. So we're going to strip this down now and I'll show you exactly what we need to do and where the wire is that you need to get to. First of all, you just got to pull down this little flap thing, and then that gets you into here. So what you've got to do, this little thing, it's like a little vent cover, that just kind of pulls off. So you literally just pull that off. So we'll do that now, and then, so I'll turn the light on so we can see. Now that's better. So yeah, that's a little 10mm bolt there to get this fuse box out of the way, just give you a little bit more room. But basically it's down here. So I've already unravelled a lot of the I've already unravelled some of the cloth tape so you can actually see. But basically if I try and do it on the video now, I think we're just about getting there. There you go. So if you can see this thing here, this little plastic thing, so that's where you can see the 3 blue and purple wires are going into, and that's basically crimped in there so they all connect. Basically I was playing with this yesterday and just pulled it and it was just sliding on and off, so obviously the connection is no good there. So what we need to do is strip this back, clean the wires up, and then we can crimp the wires back together, and then we can clear the codes off and hopefully it works. So I'm just going to strip this off now and I'll show you what it looks like once we've done that. So guys, this is the connection, and you can probably just see in there how corroded that is. I'm going to just slice this open just so you can see, but yeah, that's definitely the cause of the issue. There you go, you can see just how corroded that is in there. So what we're left with now is these 3 wires you can see there, they're all corroded at the end. What we're going to do is we're going to get some wire strippers, we're going to strip them back a little bit, and then we're going to crimp them together, and then we're going to clean all this up, tape it all back up with some electrical tape, and then hopefully that does the trick. So guys, update. Ow. It's not the comfiest being wedged in the boot like this, but update. So as you can see, we've sliced back the 3 wires. I've just been having a look in the garage. I don't actually have any like crimps, so I'm going to do this sketchily for now. I'm going to do the twist and tape method. Don't shout at me in the comments, but hopefully it works. So we're going to just twist and tape them for now, tape it back up, and then see how we get on. And then down the line, if it does work, then we can crimp it up and or solder them together and do it better. But we're going to go with twist and tape for now, and hopefully it works. So guys, here we go. So I've done like literally the sketchiest tape up job known to man. I'm going to leave this bit a little bit free though for now, just so, because that's the bit that's causing the issue. So we're going to leave that just sticking out there so we can access it easily again if we need to. I'm going to put a bit more tape around it, but hopefully this will work. So I'm just going to take that up a bit more, get all these fuses back in and screwed down, and then we'll go and take it for a spin and see if it works. So guys, we're back in the car now, and we're going to be using the Carista app to do the diagnostics. So it's just connecting, the ignition's on now. So this is just going to connect to the vehicle. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to go into diagnose, and then from there it's going to basically read all of the fault codes on the car, and you should be able to then see the fault code that we've been getting. So this is the one place we've got issues here, which is CAN network gateway, which is the thing that's not allowing the stop start to work. So if we go into that, you can see these are the 2 fault codes that we're getting. So we're getting 00458, which is controller for battery monitoring, J367, and then 03705, which is voltage stabilizer. So these are the fault codes that I've been reading on the forums, and that's what's directed me to this fix here with them wires. So what we're going to do now is we're going to reset them. So they've now been reset on the car, and then we're going to turn the engine, the ignition off, and we'll turn it back on and start the engine up. So now hopefully they don't come back up now. So they haven't actually now come back up on the CAN network gateway, which is good. So what I think we do is we take it for a drive. It's going to have to get up to temperature, because obviously stop start only works under certain conditions. So we're going to have to just drive it around for 5 minutes or so, and let it. It has just been driven for like an hour or so, so it is still pretty warm. But we'll let it get back up to temperature, and hopefully these codes don't pop back up on the CAN network gateway. And if we've done it right, then start stop should kick in. I'll probably turn it off anyway because it's annoying, but at least we'll have fixed the issue and it should be working. So let me just go and lock up the house, and then we're going to go out and try and see if the start stop is now working. Right guys, so we're going to go out and take the car for a spin now. Sorry about the parking sensors. Well, I'll just reverse off the drive. But we're going to shut up the fans. We'll get there eventually. Right, so we're just going to take the car out for a quick spin and see if the start stop kicks in. Like I said, I know start stop has got to be for like certain conditions and stuff like that. Like it's got to be up to temperature and blah 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 blah. We're just going to take it for a run and see if it kicks in, and if it does, I'm going to be absolutely buzzing, because it's something that I've been able to do and fix myself, and not take it to a garage and get charged a small fortune for literally crimping some wires together. Like I said, I will do it properly once I know it all works. I'll probably solder them together so they don't come apart again. But I don't know why they don't just do that in the first place. Surely that's just like easier to do that. But anyway, so we're just going to go for a quick spin, and we shall hopefully see if it works. I do love that song though, like the supercharger one now with the APR intake coupled with the ECS intake pipe is just wicked. So it's not, well, it actually is up to temperature. It's been driven quite recently, so let's see if it kicks in now. No, so it's still not kicking in. It's probably because it's not up to temperature and stuff just yet. but I suppose it's gonna just take time. I suppose if I get it on video now, that'll be really lucky to get it on video. So I'm probably not gonna get it on video of it actually working, but who knows, we might be lucky. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I've just tried to like better my chances of it working. So I've turned like the heated seats off, I've turned the aircon off, so because I don't, obviously there's certain conditions where the start stop will and will not work. So I've just tried to get rid of all that to see if it kicks in. I'm going to be coming up to a stop shortly, and it's saying it's up to temperature. So I don't know. We'll just see. We'll see if it works. I'm just going to turn in here and then come to a complete stop and see if it kicks in. And if it does, I'm going to be really made up. If it doesn't, then we just keep trying. So let's just see. Yes, it worked. Oh my god, I can't believe we've actually just fixed it. Oh my god, yes, I'm buzzing, guys. Like, it actually worked. Right, I'm gonna go before this car comes, and then just pull out of here. But oh my god, guys, we actually fixed it. Like, we actually fixed it with that little issue. So the start stop has never worked for the whole like nearly a year that I've had the car now, and I never knew what it was, and it never bothered me until I found these codes when changing the battery, and it just bugged the hell out of me. You're probably the same. Like, when you know there's something there, you've just got to get it fixed. So as soon as I knew that there was an issue, I started to delve into the forums and read all of the comments and see what it was, and a couple of people said that would be the issue, was them wires, because it leaks in the boot, they get corroded, and it basically stops it from working because it can't contact the battery properly from the battery monitoring system or whatever it is. I'm not that good with electrics, so I was a little bit dubious to try it. However, that was so easy. Once I'd located where the wires were, it was just so obvious that was the issue, because you could see from how corroded they were that no contact was being made between the three different wires. So like I said, we have just kind of twisted and taped it up for now, and now that I know it is working, we'll actually like do it properly and either crimp them or solder them together, so that they don't split apart again and they don't end up corrosion and stuff, and we'll make sure it's all nice and wrapped up. But it actually worked, and I managed to capture it. That was the first time it did it as well, and I was filming and I managed to catch it on video, so proof that it does work. The start stop kicked in and we've actually fixed it, guys. Like, yeah, what a way to actually end a video where something that we've done has actually worked. So like I said, guys, this was just a short video, hopefully. I don't know how long it is now, but it was meant to be a short video. Quite an informative video. Probably not going to be for everyone, but if you do stumble across this video, if you're trying to fix your start stop, then please make sure you hit that like button. If you're liking the content, then please let me know. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe. That would really help me out and means a lot to me. Hit the bell icon as well, so you can get notifications on all the latest videos that I post. And until the next one, guys, we'll see you then.